Hello student, today we continue our lesson number 4. Our topic is go to command. Now what is go to command? Go to command is used to go to a specific page, line, section, field, bookmark, comment, footnote, endnote, table, graphics, equation, object heading, etc. Now how to use go to command? First of all, you have to go into the home menu, click on find, drop down, click here and you can see here go to option, click on go to option. Now one dialog box is open. Now in go to tab, here you can see many options like page, section, line, bookmark, comment, footnote. Now I want to go on line number 10, so I here type 10, enter the line number and I here type 10 and click on go to. So our cursor will be move on line number 10. Now again see, suppose I want to go on line number second, so I type here second and go to. So my cursor will be go on second line number. Now close this dialog box, close. Now our next topic is spelling and grammar. Spelling and grammar ensure that your document contain no error. You must have noticed red or green wave line under some words. Here you can see red lines under some words. That means its words is wrong. Like here I can write IMs. That means here I use items. Here formatting. Here document. But my spelling is wrong. If you type some wrong spellings of word or incorrect sentence or any word is not found, it is marked as misplaced. A red line indicate a spelling mistake and a green line indicate grammatical mistake. Now how to use spelling and grammar? Just go into the review tab. You can see here spelling and grammar option. Click on spelling and grammar. Now you can see here the wrong word will be shown in red color and displaying not in dictionary box. Now you can see here suggestion like items, gems, hems. Now I know that here I write items, so I just click on items and click on change. So here you can see our right spelling will be changed. Now you can see here format in suggestion, but in suggestion you can see here format, but I want this wrong spelling, so you can just click on ignore once. So spelling will be not changed, just put wrong spelling. Now you can see here document. Suppose I want to change this spelling like document, so I click on change, so our spelling will be changed. Now suppose you want to add this wrong spelling into your dictionary, so you can just click on add to dictionary, so this wrong spelling will be add in your word dictionary. Now our next topic is thesaurus. Thesaurus consist of word in a group of synonyms which improve your vocabulary. Moreover, you can change the word to its synonyms to express the meaning more accurately. Now how to use thesaurus? Just go into the review menu and you can see here thesaurus option. Click on thesaurus. Now suppose I want to search some synonyms like reviews, so I type here review and just click on this option. So you can see here many thesaurus Now again I want change some spelling like home and click on this button. You can see here. Now suppose I want synonyms of this word document. So I just select document word and click on thesaurus. So you can see here document will be right over here and its synonyms display here. Now suppose I want these synonyms over here. So I click on text and insert. So you can see here document will be changed into text. I hope you all are understand go to command, spelling and grammar and thesaurus option. Thank you for watching this video.